One sunny morning in the bamboo forest, Sway was practicing his kung fu moves when he noticed something unusual. A shimmering scale glinting in the sunlight. Curious, he followed the trail and soon found a graceful snake coiled around a tree branch. "Hello there, I'm Sway, the kung fu monkey," he said, introducing himself with a friendly smile. The snake unfurled herself, revealing her vibrant colors and graceful movements. "Hi, I'm Lathe," she replied, her voice smooth and calm. "I've been watching you train. You're very skilled." Sway was impressed. Lathe was agile and confident, moving effortlessly through the trees. The two quickly struck up a friendship. Lathe shared stories of her adventures slithering through the forest and how she had been looking for a way to help others, just like Sway. "With your kung fu and my agility, we could be an unstoppable team," Lathe exclaimed. Sway agreed, excited about the possibilities. Together, they began to train, learning from each other's strengths. But little did they know, their first adventure together was just around the corner. Stay tuned to see how Sway and Lathe tackle challenges side by side. Friendship can be found in the most unexpected places.